Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Chevrolet Tahoe only way. Begin by sketching simple shapes: a long rectangle for the body, rounded rectangles for wheel arches, and circles for wheels. Keep proportions wide and chunky to capture the SUV stance. Use a light pencil and take time to measure wheelbase and roof height. This foundation makes the rest of the drawing faster and more accurate, so work patiently and check symmetry often. Now refine the outline by turning boxes into car panels with smooth curves and straight edges where needed. Focus on the grille and headlight geometry to make it recognizable as a Tahoe, and carve the hood and bumper with confident lines. Keep using reference proportions and erase construction marks gradually. Keep strokes light until the main shapes feel right, then darken definitive edges to lock the silhouette in place for detailing. Add details like wheel spokes, tire texture, and brake disc hints to make the drawing believable. Sketch grille texture, badges, and panel gaps with small deliberate strokes. Use soft shading for curved surfaces and sharper highlights for chrome trim or glass edges. Blend gently for smooth paint finishes, and keep contrast on edges to separate parts visually. Step back often to check balance and adjust values so the Tahoe reads clearly as a complete vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.